see, we parked by a lay-by again. Kez is leaving without me. She's had enough. But yeah, we're up in the mountains, which is pretty sick. We've got to get out of here. Oh, this is lovely though, like no one's here. Again. What can you smell? Old rabbit ears. Taking this guy to the toilet this morning. Kez is leaving without me. She's had enough. Good morning. So we've woken up at our little park up. Kids in the van, just sorting that out. This guy's just having a little toilet. As you can see, we parked by a lay-by again. That was fun. Pretty quiet actually. But yeah, we're up in the mountains, which is pretty sick. Come on. No, we're not going for a walk, mate. We've got to get out of here. So yeah, lovely night, really quiet. Up and lay-by action again. Really can't complain. Oh, we got to see a fighter jet thing. Oh no, hang on. Shall we say bye?
I'm filming you.
Right, Frank, should we get going? Go and find some phone signal.
Woohoo! 60 minutes from where we were.
Yeah, not a bad park up at all, is it?
It's not a bad lay-by. I've changed your mind. I think in the winter you change your mind on lay-bys because it's dark earlier, so it really doesn't matter where you're parked.
Yeah, true.
Do you know what I mean? Are you filming?
Yeah.
This is the A487, a great road to drive in Wales, and it's also where the Macloop Valley is. Last night we saw a Hercules fly right over the top of us. There's a lay-by you can park in and wait to watch the fighter planes and jets fly by. One piece of advice is internet signal's not great here, so using flight apps like Flight Radar 24 to see where planes are coming from doesn't always work great here.
Yes, fucking Morrisons!
After stocking up at Morrisons, we headed off to our next park up. Being a Britstop member means we can stay here overnight in the hotel car park. As it's winter, we had the whole place to ourselves. This was right next to the Devil's Bridge, which is a lovely loop walk, not for the faint-hearted. Again, we were so lucky to have this entire place completely to ourselves. I imagine that's a rare treat, as this place looks like it gets packed out in nicer weather.
So we've just entered the Devil's Bridge. It's £4 to get in.
£4 per person.
Yeah, £4 each. Yeah, so you get in through contactless payment, flash your card, and then you walk through the turnstile. But all the money seems to go to maintaining this footpath and area. Yeah, we're going on this lovely little walk, aren't we? Ring walk.
We've just seen 3 bridges, haven't we?
This is quite cool. Yeah. It's like 3 bridges here. So this one was made in the 11th century. What was this? 18th century, this one. And then, like, recently, that one. Yep, that was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, all sort of built on top of each other at different times in history. Frank's just jumping up at a picnic table.
So tell us a bit about the Devil's Bridge, Kez.
Okay, well, the Devil's Bridge was, I don't know. What I do know, though, is that waterfalls will put you in a better mood because they have energising ions within the water is released when it smashes against the rocks. You absorb them and you feel more positive and happy. So waterfalls are actually good for you.
So, let's go and find a waterfall then. So off she went, onto a little walk. But how long was this walk going to take us, did it say?
I didn't say, Professor John.
How long did it say? But seemingly it's a one-way route, isn't it? Coming through the turnstiles, go out, back out through some other turnstiles.
And should mention, opposite this walk is another set of turnstiles with £2 per person walk. And it's like a waterfall that goes into like a punch bowl.
Yeah, so, that's pretty
sick. You've got an option if you wanted to do a shorter, cheaper walk.
Well, that's, yeah, £2 for 10 to 20 minute walk. Just a viewpoint. All right, let's go and have a look. Christ. Still a bit of ice and snow in places. You'll all be happy to know I've actually got some walking boots on today. So just got to find somewhere to get the drone out. Let's have a look. There's hotel up there. So we can hear a waterfall, we just got to go and find it. Off we go. We're here by ourselves.
Hello, how are you? I'm living on the moon. I'm calling from a telephone inside of a saloon. The only other person here left many years ago. And now I sit here at the bar, feeling so alone.
Nice little viewpoint here. Now off we go down. Just got the drone out, had a little fly. Yeah, this place is brilliant, isn't it? Yeah. Got that there. Oh, and then if you didn't see, we were just up there. These little rails to help you. Pretty tight, not gonna lie. So if you're a little squiffy with heights, this might not be the place for you, but yeah, sick and pet. That's just a little viewpoint. So they're all numbered. Alright, so this is number 7. I think it's a map at the beginning that'll tell you what all that means and what viewpoints you can hear. But yeah, enough little viewpoint there. Got the waterfall in the background. Now we're going to go and take another route. See where we end up. But I think it winds back up to that waterfall. This one that we were just at a second ago. We just walk down here. And you go off down there to that other viewpoint, and now we're going down. So Kez isn't a fan of heights, and as you can see, oh, hang on. Do you want me to take Frank? Oh, hello. Yeah, I did read something about this. 200 odd steps. Ooh, yeah, it is quite steep, not gonna lie. So we get perspective with me and said steps. I can take Frank if you want, darling. But what's good is they've put these sort of barriers in place. If you do like slip, you won't fall all the way. Fucking hell. Oh yeah. Look at that. Is that getting me? Oh, not gonna lie, quite steep. Bless her though, bless her. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, she's done an amazing job. I've only taken her at 3. Alright. Yeah, a little steeper than I thought, I think. Fuck me. You alright? I can't hear a word. Be careful holding the camera, yeah. Whee. Yeah, I mean, if you're not really not a fan, oh, that's what you want to see, loose steps as you walk down. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus, yeah, if you're not very able-bodied or a little scared of heights, definitely don't do this. Oh my days. Jesus, they're so big. Yeah. That's a little sketchy to see that. Oh, fucking hell. Look at this. Wow. So we just come down there, walked around here. You got the waterfall here. Bless her, this looks fucking sketchy as hell. This is Kez's worst nightmare right now, unveiling, and I'm recording it. How so supportive. Fucking hell. Oh mate, if I drop my phone now, not gonna lie, this is fucking weird. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not that scared of heights either. Oh, it's an odd sensation that, isn't it? Well done, babes. Oh. Look. Yeah, for some, you may think easy peasy, but that got me a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to take that all back. That little section got me a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh. Steps were one thing, and then that bridge. The thing is, like, my waistline's a little higher than the edge. I'm not that tall either, but gave me a couple of heart palpitations. I'd have liked to have filmed the drone and got us walking over and some silly shots like that, but trying to walk across it again. Right there, a second ago.
It was a hideout for 3 brothers that used to rob from travellers on the road that goes above. And this cave used to be like much bigger. This has all been blown out and they dismantled it. Because
right.
the brothers would rob and their sister would come and bring them food at night and sometimes go out robbing with them. But one time they robbed someone up on the highway and accidentally killed him, and he's actually a really respected gentleman of the village. So they all decided they weren't going to have this. They got dogs and tracked where the thieves were, tracked them into the woods and down to this cave where they smoked them out, where they hid all their riches. The brothers came out, they were hung, and then the sister was burnt at the stake.
That's cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, Robert's Cave. So this is the only bit of the cave that still stands. It used to be much further out and you'd have to come in.
And this is the last waterfall on the walk, which is at the top of all of it. Yeah, I think we're headed towards the exit now. I'm absolutely knackered. Look at those stairs. More so steep there.
I don't recommend this walk in icy conditions.
Yeah, I can see why. I think that would be a bit nuts if it had been snowing or icy. I would say that was the top of the waterfall, but I've been wrong so far. Right, let's catch Kez up and see the hotel. And just up a little bit more.
Well guys, we hope you have enjoyed that episode, but we have now come to an end. If you would like to subscribe and also see what we get up to next week, then make sure you hit the notification bell and that will let you know when we bring out our next video, which will be where, they ask, Tristan.
Where?
Where will we be on our next video?
We're not even sure where we'll be at the moment. If you've seen in the last couple of episodes, everything went a little bit wrong for us, but at the moment our luck's changed with today's walk and today's park up. We've had a VIP walk around the Devil's Bridge, nobody else there. It was an amazing walk, well worth the £4 each.
And having a Britstop this evening as well definitely takes the stress off. Finding park-ups on Park for Night in the north of Wales hasn't been that easy. If you've been to the north of Wales and you found some cool spots, then yeah, maybe let us know in the comments, but we definitely found it a little trickier, and so we fell back on our trusty little Britstop membership and found this absolute beaut.
And we've had an awesome day, haven't we?
Yeah, awesome day. So yeah, highly recommend Britstop membership, guys. Very much worth it. Anyway,
But it's done us
guys,
all right, hasn't it?
It's done us
Britstop,
really
yeah.
well, yeah.
But anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Peace
What's
out. Until next time, folks. Bye for now. I look like Noddy. Leave a comment below.
Sexy Noddy.
Sexy Noddy.
That sounds weird.
Right, what are we going to say then?
Thanks for joining us. We hope you liked the video. Okay, obviously we bring out riveting content that you won't want to miss.
Don't say that.